My name is Derrick. I'm the sales manager for the UK and Ireland. I'm currently based in Rugby, which sits at the heart of England, which allows me to really effectively support the customer base that we have. Well, we absolutely support our customers within the UK from our warehouse and logistics facilities that's based at our head office in Sweden, where we kind of support all of our customers and execute all of their orders from our European stocks. Absolutely, so over and above the stock that we generally carry within our European facility, we can also execute and support our customers from our facilities in China, which also allows for larger type of orders and also very often some bespoke products that's needed. I think there's quite a few things that make us different, but I think one of those larger standout things is our ability to really focus and produce bespoke products for our customers to ultimately assist in the solution-driven approach that is needed to really support those customers and end users out there. So that's something we definitely pride ourselves on, and also allow for great quality in our product to kind of shine through.